I'm Kari Govan with the Govan Real Estate Group at Keller Williams, and today I'm here with my fabulous stager, Heather Craw of Craw West Interior. Her and her partner, Kylie, stage a lot of my listings, and they do such a fabulous job that I thought it'd be fun today to talk to her, and she can give you some helpful suggestions of what you can do in your house while you're quarantined.
So when we first built this house, it was a very builder basic bathroom, beige walls, the builder pedestal, the builder, oval bevel mirror. I've been changing a few things out. The first thing that I changed was the light fixture and did polished nickel, and I wanted to do some mixed metals in here. Finally got my octagonal brass mirror, which I love because octagon's my favorite shape. And a few things, the other thing that I had done before was do this trim detail around the top and the bottom of the bathroom. So it has this high contrast black and white stripe in the trim, but I don't add a color. So during COVID-19 closure, I did order these online and switch these out so that I have a few more notes of brass, and I did get this artwork online, sight unseen, which has turned out totally great, and I love it. And then in the first week of closure, I finally painted the interior of the door this emerald green, which I love. I considered doing the whole bathroom green, but it's a lot of green for a small space. But now it's like a little design surprise that you don't even know until you get in here, and then it's an emerald green bathroom.
Heather, thanks so much for all those great ideas. I think there's so much for you all to do with the powder room. You could change the mirror, like she said. You could do the artwork, the molding. But what I really love is that quick little detail of painting the back of the door with that bright color to add like an element of surprise.
If you've been sitting at home and looking at the room and thinking, I really need a change, we are doing consultations via Zoom or in person, and we also provide consultations and staging. So we hope you'll look us up at Craw West Interiors.
Don't forget to subscribe.